Welcome to our channel, Wafa Tech and Tricks. Today, we are diving into one of the most important questions for anyone starting an online business in 2026. Shopify versus Etsy. Which platform is better for your business? Whether you are planning to sell handmade crafts, print-on-demand products, or branded items, choosing the right platform can make or break your success. So in this video, we will compare Shopify and Etsy side by side, where we will discuss about pricing, features, and their pros and cons. And by the end, you will know exactly which one suits you best in 2026. So let's get started. What are Shopify and Etsy? Let's start with a quick overview. Etsy is an online marketplace like Amazon, but mainly for handmade, vintage, and creative products. You join Etsy's platform, list your items, and sell to shoppers who are already browsing there. Shopify, on the other hand, is a standalone e-commerce platform. It lets you create your own branded online store, design it however you want, and run it under your own domain name. In short, Etsy is where you sell on their marketplace, and Shopify is where you sell from your own store. Shopify versus Etsy. Full comparison 2026. Let's break down the key differences point by point. Number 1. Setup and ease of use. Etsy is quick and beginner friendly. You can open a shop in under 30 minutes. No coding, no design work, just upload your products and start selling. Whereas Shopify takes more time to set up but gives you full control. You can design your website, customize your theme, and build your own brand identity. Etsy is fast start for beginners. Shopify gives full control for long-term growth. Number 2. Audience and reach. Etsy comes with built-in traffic in 2026. Etsy has over 100 million active buyers, meaning you can instantly reach customers searching for products like yours. Shopify has no built-in audience. You will need to drive traffic yourself through marketing, like TikTok ads, SEO, or email campaigns. It means Etsy is great for beginners who want instant visibility, and Shopify is great for brands who want to own their audience. Number 3. Branding and customization. In Etsy, you are part of a shared marketplace, limited control over design, layout, and brand experience. In Shopify, you can fully customize your store from your domain name to checkout pages. You can use themes, AI tools, and custom branding to make your store unique. It means Shopify wins for building a brand. Number 4. Marketing and growth tools. Etsy offers Etsy ads and SEO tools, but competition is high. You rely mostly on Etsy search visibility. Shopify offers advanced tools for marketing, email campaigns, analytics, and automation. You can integrate apps like Klaviyo, Meta Ads, or AI-driven. It means Shopify is better for scaling and automation, and Etsy is simpler but limited growth control. Number 5. Products you can sell. Etsy is best for handmade items, printables, crafts, and digital art. Certain dropshipping or reselling items are not allowed. In Shopify, you can sell anything legal: physical, digital, print on demand, or dropship products. It means Etsy is best for creators and crafters, whereas Shopify is best for entrepreneurs and brands. Number 6. AI and automation in 2026. Here's where Shopify takes a futuristic leap. In 2026, Shopify has built-in AI tools that can generate product descriptions, automate email responses, predict top sell products, and design ad creatives instantly. Whereas Etsy also added AI-powered keyword and SEO suggestions, but automation remains limited. It means Shopify wins for AI powered business automation. Here's a real example. Let's say you sell handmade candles. On Etsy, your candles appear among thousands of similar listings. You compete based on SEO, photos, and reviews. Whereas in Shopify, you build your own candle brand, design a beautiful website, run TikTok ads, and control every part of the experience. So Etsy gives visibility fast, and Shopify gives you freedom and scalability. Long-term profitability. Etsy is amazing for quick sales and side hustles, but if you want to grow a full-time business or brand, Shopify wins in the long run. With Shopify, you build an asset, your store, your email list, your customer base. You're not depending on a platform's algorithm. Here's the quick review for today's video. Etsy is the easiest platform to start on, perfect for beginners who sell handmade, printable, or creative products and want instant visibility without spending on ads. However, it offers limited branding options and higher fees per sale. Shopify, on the other hand, gives you full control over your store, your customers, and your brand. It requires more setup and effort in marketing, but it's far more flexible, scalable, and AI powered in 2026. With Shopify, you can sell almost anything, automate your business, and build a long term income stream under your own brand. So, overall, Etsy is great for starting, but Shopify is ideal for scaling and growing into a real online business. So, what do you think about Shopify and Etsy? And what will you choose between these? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wafa Tech and Tricks for more digital business guides, AI tools, and online earning strategies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.